Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm assuming most of you guys have Microsoft Edge on your computer. So that's what we're going to open up here. And into the Google search, just search up Firefox download and search for it. One of the best results should be from a Mozilla web page here. Download Firefox browser. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Download Firefox button. And once the installer file is downloaded, go ahead and open that up. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And you can close out the web browser at this time. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.